Do you know how to enable the undo message in email, or how to increase the undo message time in an email? You have to just click on setting and search out the undo message in a general. You have to increase its time. Do you want to write a signature in email? Just click on signature, choose manage signature. You will be go to the new signature. Just create your signature and put your important information and click on save. So you have to compose the email again and you will be find your signature. In this video we have learned about the forwarding tricks in Gmail. Go to the setting, click on forwarding and pop map. You have enter here a specific email, so you will be receive emails of all others ID through this mail. Thank you. In this video we will enable the reading pen command for Gmail. You have to just open the setting and goes to inbox. Go down and select the enable reading pen, so the reading pen will be activated. Please save these change and go to the main window of Gmail. Just watch the reading pen command and its function. Thank you. Do you know how to turn on a shortcut key in a Gmail? Just go to setting, search it in a general section, search the name as keyboard shortcut. Enable the shortcut keyboard option, go down to save the command as a save change. You have to just press C and the compose section will be open, as well as for other command press shift plus sign of interrogation. You will get all the commands. In this trick we are going to learn about the template section in the Gmail account. You have to just open the setting and click on all setting. Choose the advanced option in the Gmail. So you have to go to the template section and enable these templates and click save on these changes. So you will go to the compose section of the email and press the three icons. In three icons you will be find the templates which is enabled to the email composing section. Now you can change the theme in the updated Gmail of 2022. You have to just click on the setting and goes down. You will be find different type of themes. You have to click on each themes and save for the apply. In this video we are going to explore another trick in Gmail. If you wish to get email without internet, you can get it. Just tap on setting, see all the setting and goes to the offline section and just enable the offline mails. You can set the number of mails of 30 or 90 previous day, as well as you have to select the one option to keep offline data and save the changes. Do you know how to highlight an emails with the different stars in the Gmail account? No, just watch the video. Go to the setting. Now here in the journal tab, go down and you will be find the option of stars. Now we have to click on all the stars. By the selection we will be go down and save the changes, so you will be check there as the different stars will be workable. Do you know how to move a specific email into different categories? You have just right click and select a move to. Now you can hear your specific category. Do you want to reduce a space in your Gmail account? Just enter in a filter button. Click below your requirements such as 10 MB or 20 MB emails or delete. So you have option about greater or less than and search it out. You can easily delete all these emails. Do you know how to change the layout of your inbox in 2022 in Gmail? Just tap the setting and go down. Select the option of your choice and the inbox layout will be changed. I'm going to explore a secret hidden setting in a Gmail account. You have to just compose, right click in a send. You will find a schedule send option. Just click on it and pick a date of your choice and select a schedule send. Go to the left side of the Gmail account. You will be find a schedule SMS or email. Just find your schedule email in this section. Do you know about the confidential mode in a Gmail account? Just watch the video. You have to compose the email as well as go down and select a toggle confidential mode. There you will be find the option of expiration of your email, passcode or SMS passcode, etc. You have to click on save it. Hence the receiver will never forward your email and it will be in a confidential mode. Thank you. Do you know how to snooze an email in a Gmail? Just right click on an email. You will be find the option of snooze. Click on it. You will pick a time as according to your choice and click on save. You go to the left section of your Gmail account and you will be found a snooze email. Thank you. Do you know the amazing feature of vacation responder in Gmail? No, just watch the video. You have to select the setting and go down in a general section. You will be find the vacation responder and there will be different options such as vacation responder off on section, first date and last date of your vacation subjects, and insert your message also. Your receiver will be automatically received a message of vacation. You have to use this option during the vacation. Thank you.